Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll begin by confirming prerequisites. Update iPhone, pair your Apple Watch, and open Strava. Next, in the Health app, grant permission for workouts and active energy so data can flow. Once done, open Strava and sign in, because Strava reads health only after you allow it. Make sure Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are active. They help Apple Watch sync reliably. These immediate actions let you connect data sources rather than troubleshooting later. Now complete the middle steps. In Strava's app settings, choose Applications, Services, and Devices, then tap Health. You'll be prompted to allow Strava to read workouts and active energy and to write activities if desired. Grant both read and write where prompted. This is why workouts appear in Strava with accurate calories. Once permissions are set, force a sync by closing and reopening Strava, then start or end an Apple Watch workout to trigger the transfer. Finish by ending a real Apple Watch workout and immediately opening Strava to verify the activity appears. If it does not show, go back to Health Permissions and toggle Strava's access off and on, then reopen both apps to force a refresh. If that still fails, restart your iPhone and watch and confirm both run current OS versions, because background sync can be blocked by outdated software. One key tip: toggling permissions almost always.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.